Hey guys, welcome back to another Botfolio video. Today we're going to be giving you guys an update on Botfolio. Again, it's not released to the public. There is a waitlist to join, so link in the description for the waitlist. Limited spots for that, okay? Today we are up around $1,500 on Botfolio, which covers half of the yearly cost of Botfolio, and it's doing very well. So the market this year is down about 10% or so. Botfolio is up about 2 to 3% on the year. What does that mean? Even though it's not up too much, it's heavily outperforming the market, and that is all we can ask, right? So last week we had a beautiful day. I posted this in the Discord. Okay, I will show this screenshot here in a second, but we made about $3,600. So let me show this, blank this. Let me pull this down here. So we had about $3,000 here, $3,090 of realized gain, and then $683 of open profit. We ended the day right here, $3,600, which covers pretty much the whole year of the cost of Botfolio. Okay, this is a live account only as well. It's built around a $50,000 cash count. You could use it with 25 to 30,000, but you would have to not use all the bots because of the margin requirements. So a 50K account is recommended so that you can use all the bots and stay within the proper drawdown limits. Okay. Now, again, today here, the bots are, they're still in trades, so we're fluctuating. But we can see we're in 1 micro per position. So all these trades are just 1 single micro per strategy. And you can see here, we have a total of 32 strategies, okay? All of them are different. They're all unique. We trade gold, we trade NASDAQ, we trade ES, and we trade crude oil, and we trade Bitcoin, okay? So we do have Bitcoin contracts in here. The main ones are going to be the gold strategies, the ES strategies, and the NQ strategies. Bitcoin is also up there. Crude oil is more of just a hedge strategies, okay? But overall, again, I'll post a document to the stats of Botfolio, but it made about 96% returns last year. So if you had a $50,000 account, you would have made about $50,000, okay? Which is phenomenal. And you can see our profit still fluctuating. We're almost up $2,000 on the day right now. We're pumping into the market close. I'll turn the volume down if I can, just in case we get into a trade, but I don't want to hear it blast. So just today, guys, can cover half the year of Botfolio, and last week covered the rest of the year plus some. So again, you have to think of Botfolio as a way of hedging the market. So it's not always just about, is it making money every day? This is a long-term investing. It only takes 5 minutes a day. You check it at night. So around 6 p.m. when the market reopens, you check it, you match the positions. And then in the morning when you wake up around 8:30, I would say Eastern time, generally there's news around 8:30, I would check it then as well. Make sure positions are matched. Then you can move on. And that's it. Check in, restart once a week, all that. It's pretty simple. So again, we have our scalping bots here on this page, which has NQ, ES, and Bitcoin. And then we have our non-scalping bots. They still do scalp, but are less scalpy bots here on this page, which are ES, crude oil, and gold. And again, great strategies. There's 32 unique strategies that you're getting with this, okay? And it's phenomenal. Again, 96% returns. It's not always about beating the market. It's can you outperform the market? So the market's down 10% this year. Botfolio is up 2 to 3% this year. That's a 13% swing. Okay, so I mean, take that for what you will. It's outperforming the markets. Okay, I just want to do that little quick recap on Botfolio. Waitlist in the description. We're not accepting more than 2 lifetime members if you are interested in that. Yearly, we do still have a few spots remaining, so feel free to join the waitlist for that. The plan is to release that around mid-May, early June, okay? And then you guys will have it the rest of the year and on, right? So again, it's meant to, it's trades for you. All you do is check to make sure positions are true, and that's it. So that's the video. There's some links in the description for the waitlist. And then there is a document as well, so you can check that out. It has all the stats, all the numbers you'd ever want to see on Botfolio. And that's it, guys. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns down below, and I'll see you later.